Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 142 Laravel 11 remove from product to cart example, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is a already run localhost PHP my admin successfully. This is a run, and this my project is available realstate underscore laravel underscore 11. This is a my database name. Inside this is a last of is a table is available, and this table is used. This is product cart. This is a product cart, and this is a dynamic already show this product cart list. First of all, this is my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc directory, and this is a project. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Successfully open this Sublime text editor. Let's run this project directory. Inside this cmd run means command prompt open. Successfully this project directory is working fine. This command prompt. Let's run php artisan server. php artisan server and enter. Successfully wait, this is run php artisan server. Please wait. Successfully run. This URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully working fine. This is a good. Let's inside this is a open this code and route inside this web.php available. The same URL is a copy this product cart copy slash, and this is a paste here. Successfully working. This is already available. This is up to product cart. Let's view button, click this view. Inside this is a delete is a not a working. Let's step by step implementation. This is a delete functionality is a implementation. First of all, this file is open. This is a cart file. Resource view product underscore cart, and this is a cart file, and this is a delete button is a available. This button is a delete. Let's remove this and save file and refresh this page, and this is a remove. This is a successfully remove. Let's Ctrl Z save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a delete button is a show. Good working. Let's write down step by step. This is a action, and this is available action. Save file. This is a action is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this is a action. Good working. This is a fine. All successfully this is a action, and this is a static button is a available, not a dynamic. Same name is a copy. This name copy, and this is an already class is this copy, and inside this is a new function is a create. This is a function start, and this is a close. Let's next this is a update cart function, and inside this is a delete function is a implementation. Dollar, and this is a paste here. This is a paste here. The same name is a paste here. This is a name. Wait. This is a name is a paste here. Delete cart. Product cart is a delete. This function is a implementation. Good. Let's inside this is a step by step implementation. One click function dot click function e default e prevent. This is the same name is a copy and paste here. E prevent default. Variable new create el variable create is equal to dollar this, and this is a close. This start, and this is a close, and new button is a create. This is a create. This is a create. If, and this is a close. This if is a close. Inside this confirm, and this is a message. Are you want to remove? Yes, yeah, no. This is a message is a set. Successfully message is a set. Please write down. All good. Inside $ajax is a start. $ajax and paste here. URL route, new route is a create, remove from cart. This is a new route is a create. This is a close. Next is a method is a delete set. This is a method is a delete set. All good. Save file. And this is the data is a start and this is a close. This is the data is a successfully inside. This is start and this is a close. This is a good working fine. And this is a click this same here, copy inside. This is a already inside. This is a already implementation. Please write down all successfully. This is a implementation. Please check this previous video, otherwise this video is a implementation. The same name is a copy and inside this is a implementation $this. All good. The success message is set. This is a success message the implementation. This is a successfully implementation. All good. Window load, location reload, and this is a redirection. This page, not a other page. Same page is a redirection. This is window location reload. Same name is a copy. This is a URL is a copy and route inside this web.php available. Let's route and this is a name and paste here. Save file. This is a paste here, and this is a method is a delete method. This is a delete method. Delete method. Same here. Remove from cart. Same name, copy and paste here. From cart. Product cart controller class, and this is a create remove function. Save file. Successfully write down. Good working. This is a product cart controller. Open this, copy product cart controller, open. This control is already available. This all lost of video is available. Please check this previous old video. Inside this is all successfully implementation. Let's new public function and paste here. Same name is a paste here, not a other. Same name is a paste here inside this paste here. Save file. Let's write down step by step. Request $request, and this is the implementation. If condition is a implementation, if, and this is a close. Save file. This is a fine, and this is the ID, request ID inside. This is a pass. This is a already pass. Please write down this ID. And this cart session in this is a implementation. This is a remove session. Inside this is a set cart place message set. Please write down step by step. And last is a flash message implementation. Flash message a product remove successfully. This is the same name. Please write down. Let's refresh this page. This is a refresh this page, and this is a delete. This is a Motorola is a delete. Click this delete. Are you sure want to delete? Cancel. This is a cancel. This is available. This is a not a remove. This message is show. Cancel means else part. Let's again. This is a yes. Okay. Reload successfully. Product is a remove. Inside this remove. Let's again this remove. Yes, good working. This is a fine. Let's success product is a successfully remove, and this is a message available. This message is show product remove successfully. Any doubt, so please contact this my errorsolutioncode.com website. Inside this we are here to help 24/7. I am always available. Please contact this WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype, and inside this contact form is available. And this my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow this all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Successfully set. This continue to shopping. Again this implement add to cart. Inside this is a one item already implement. This is a implementation. Please wait. Successfully this is a one item is available. Let's view cart, and this is a successfully show. Good working. Let's delete. Inside this is a previous all implement. This is a 3 and 8 into 4 inside. This is a update, and this is a successfully. This is a plus. All good. Let's delete. Yes. Okay. Successfully remove. All good. Let's please write down. This is a code. In this write down. please write down. This is a, first of all, this button is a implementation, this forest loop, and this is a write down, all successfully set, and this is a function, and this is a delete method. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.